What's up, guys? We have this is HP G72 laptop of some kind. Windows 7 days, I believe. Doesn't turn on to my knowledge, and I think the screen's broken. So we'll be tearing it down. I believe it's also been dropped a couple times. That the hinge is exposed. So also, I don't think there's a hard drive or RAM in here. First, remove the bat. Oh wait, I think it's aftermarket. Dr. Battery, really? Stupid camera can't autofocus. There you go. Paid $900 and it has the slowest autofocus I've seen. But I still use it anyway to make its money's worth. Oh yeah. No hard drive. And some screws are rattling around there. Okay. Hard drive cable out. There's another access hatch up here. Antenna out. Battery out. These were the days when laptops were user friendly and easy to upgrade or repair or whatever. That ain't possible now because everything's just one board. You know? Everything is soldered to the board to cut costs down and stuff like that. Wi-Fi card right here. Let's pop out the DVD drive. Here it is. If you're replacing the drive, there's a little tail at the back that you need to keep so that you can reach this screw there so it won't fall, and also keep the front faceplate. No need for my impact driver today because all the screws seem pretty easy. Pretty short as well, so. We already have 4 screws that hold the keyboard in. Right. I think that's it. None on the side here, thankfully. That one got me one time, you know. Almost forgot to remove it. Nothing underneath the latch. I think it's underneath each of these feet, so Alright. Should be an area to pop the keyboard out. Unless it just dropped out. I don't think this is the right way to do it, but I don't plan to keep this anyway, so. Alright, battery on my camera just died. I'm back now. In case any footage was lost, I will go over what I was doing. I was removing the keyboard. There's no like specified place that you're supposed to stick the screwdriver through to punch the keyboard out. I don't think you're even supposed to like punch it out. You're supposed to gently remove it in case you actually do plan to replace it. Either way, okay, just pry around the edge of the frame. Oh, don't forget to pop out the touchpad and whatever cables. And I think there's a power button cable somewhere. Unless that was it that just popped out. There's one more cable. Bit tough to get at. I think it's for the speakers though. Got it. Oh yeah, the speakers are there. Yep, there is one speaker. Wait a minute. So it's only got single channel audio? Or is this the other one? I'll have to look into that. Yeah, that cable is for the speakers, for sure. Okay, we'll look at it later. Let's remove the display. Do that, I want to route the Wi-Fi antenna cables out and under whatever that thing is, and then those are freed. And then here's the display cable, the internal one. And some other thing that apparently routes to the display. Got it. I don't know what that was. Oh, it looks like the motherboard needs to come out first. Okay. Is this like just the Ethernet card? Nope, that's just a USB. They made an actual like board just for a USB plug. And that is for the thing I just unplugged is for the power cord. Sorry, couldn't see that. Here it is. I'm about to unplug the optical disk drive data and power connector. Trying to look for the other screws. Some of them, they share a screw with the with the case. Okay, the fan's got a screw on it. And I believe that's it, and it's free. There's the motherboard. And now I can remove the display. And there it goes. And I believe it is broken. And then there was this thing. I wondered what's underneath it. Looks like nothing. Yeah, just nothing. They put a cover over that for some reason. And then here's the security slot. Solid metal. Good for them. Feels really like it's actually going to protect it if someone tries to steal it. You're literally going to have to break off a section of the laptop in order to take it. Wow, that metal bracket goes all the way up. But yeah, there's the HP G72 laptop. We have one more thing. And that is if I can wrestle it out, here it is. The battery latch. Oops, broke it. I don't know how they get this stuff to fit. Either way, there it is. Old laptop, done. Might give it a try booting it up. Oh, what was this connected to? Oh, wait. There's a thermal pad. And that's... Oh, okay. I think I know what this does. Act as a heat sink. I believe it interfaced with a thermal pad on top of this thing, which could be... It's made by Intel. I think it's got an eye on it. The North... No, they don't call it the North Bridge, do they? Let's just call it the chipset. Because I don't see anything else that resembles a chipset on this. Yeah, I think that cools the chipset. I mean, chipset heat sinks are kind of becoming a thing again. And they have, especially for the higher end motherboards of these days, you can have fans that are even needed to cool down the chipset. Before it's just like either no heat sink at all or a little passive one. Now you have full on like fans to cool them off. Alright, well, the bottom case is done. Come back to the top case. Have a look at that speaker situation. Because I am interested in how it works with just one speaker. Either really cheaped out on the speaker or have some really cool technology. Oh yeah, forgot the power button. Oh, that's nasty. Why would the power button get so nasty? Okay, that's odd. So, it's a bar. One speaker here, one speaker here. That looks about right. But what's inside this box here? Is there like a sub? Or is this supposed to be like a passive subwoofer or something? I don't know. We're gonna have to open it up and find out. So first, let's take out the trackpad. Still recording? Yeah, 10 minutes. I don't really pay attention to the camera when I make videos. Okay. I don't know what that is. Rust? Could be. See, I'm very unsure about how all of these computers ended up where they are in my workshop. Oh yeah, I do know how I got them. People don't want them, but I don't know how they ended up in this situation. Anyway, here's the motherboard. Not going to remove that just yet. I mean, the CPU is removable. I'm not sure what it is. Could probably try to power it up as I can search for parts needed. Such as this. Perhaps that. Yeah. The plug. Which I believe is standard. And of course the power button. Where's this plug into? I think something on this side. Yeah, right here. Go. And then the power button plugs in somewhere on the other side. But that is just disgusting. What they did to it. Comment below you eat on top of your laptop. I know I used to. Judging by the general location of the power button, I think it would be right there. I'm going to try to power it up off camera, see if it even boots. Try to boot into a, because it's got HDMI port. I'm going to try to boot into some kind of Linux thing. I couldn't do it with my other HP teardown video. If you haven't watched that one yet, go watch it now. Because it had we had a slight issue. I broke the power button. Okay, so you have two USB ports. I'll have to use a splitter for the keyboard, mouse, and other stuff. Oh, we do have another USB port actually. It's right here. It's that weird cable that I said, what's that for? You know? believe that goes here. Okay, well, let's see if this works, this monstrosity. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. This one's filming, right? Yeah, I got distracted. I didn't open this up, so I'm not gonna do it here, I'll make too much noise. Yes, it is like a passive subwoofer. There's no speakers in there. Look at that. There's the little speaker that that does do the noise. So I would assume the left side is slightly more bassier than the right side. Because this one's got a little box, but a much, much smaller one. Okay, very interesting. That really is it. I have no more to say for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.